Hello everyone, now we'll be solving fifth sum from exercise 2.3 fourth sum. The equation given is 2y square plus 9y plus 10 is equal to 0. Now here it is same to that of previous fourth sum. The coefficient of first term is 2. We'll make this 1. To make this 1 we are going to divide the equation by 2. So divide the equation by 2. Now we'll go in a stepwise manner. So this and this gets cancelled. This becomes y square. This will remain 9 upon 2y. 2 ones are and 2 5s are. So this will become 5 equal to 0. Right? Next step. Let's frame this equation. All the numbers at one side and variables at one side. This will become minus 5. So this forms your equation number 1. Next step. Apply formula. Third term is equal to half into coefficient of y the whole square. So this becomes half into coefficient of y is 9 by 2 the whole square. Here 9 ones are is 9. 9 ones are is 9 upon 2 to the is 4. So the whole square. So 9 square is 81, 4 square is 60. Right? Now that means we have to add 18 upon 16 to both the sides in equation 1. Right? So I'll copy the equation 1 over here. Equation 1 I'll just copy it as it is, that is y square plus 9 by 2y is equal to minus 5. So when we add this becomes y square plus 9 by 2y plus 81 upon 16 is equal to minus 5 plus 81 upon 16. Right? Now here this is in the form of a plus b the whole square. So this becomes y plus square root of 81 is 9 upon 4 the whole square is equal to, let's find the LCM. So to find the LCM we are going to multiply this. This LCM is 1, so multiply this by 16. 16 5s is 80 minus 80 plus 81 upon 16. Right? So this becomes y plus 9 upon 4 the whole square is equal to minus 1 upon 16. Now what next step is taking square root on both the sides. When we take the square root, this square will go and this will become 9 upon 4. This will be plus or minus under root of 1 under root is 1 only, upon 16 square root is 4, right? Now that means this bracket is y plus 9 upon 4 is equal to plus or minus 1 upon 4. Now instead of doing directly, we will bifurcate this into two parts. एक तो हम एक बार प्लस साइन का लेंगे और दूसरा एक बार माइनस साइन का लेंगे, राइट? सो लेट्स फाइंड. तो ये हो जाएगा, when we shift this becomes minus 9 upon 4, और ये हो जाएगा माइनस, तो माइनस 9 प्लस 1 हो जाएगा माइनस 8 अपॉन 4, मतलब ही 4 1 एंड 4 2 that is, and here minus 10 upon 4, this becomes 2 2 4, 2 5 10, और ये माइनस साइन. So y either y is equal to minus 2 or y is equal to minus 5 by 2, right? So your answer will conclude as the roots of the given quadratic equation are minus 2 and minus 5 by 2. So this was all about fifth question from exercise 2.3. Thank you.